Hey, do you want to work from home and earn with affiliate marketing? Well, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know, including all the tools you need in place in order for you to work from the comfort of your home and earn income online using affiliate marketing. Also, if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you what is my #1 recommended way to get started right now. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Alright, so I'm really stoked to share with you this method that you can use to work from the comfort of your home and earn unlimited income using affiliate marketing. And before I share with you this formula you're going to learn and all the tools that you need in place, including the products that you're going to use to make this happen, let me share with you who am I and why should you listen to anything that I have to say. So as I mentioned, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and not too long ago I used to be struggling. This was back in 2012. I was struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, and I was pretty much broke at that time, right? So another thing that happened to me is that I just didn't have the energy and motivation to do the things that I love doing. So it wasn't until one day that I was falling asleep at my desk that I said, enough is enough. I need to find something that I can use to redesign my life, something that would allow me to get my time back so I can focus on doing the things that I love doing and spending time with the people that I care about. So I don't know if you can relate to that. So it wasn't until one day when I was falling asleep that I decided to go online to pretty much look for ways to make money online, because I saw that people were doing it, and I saw a lot of people getting results and in a way that resonated with me. They were living from the comfort of their homes, working, and they were pretty much earning income and being able to do the things that they love doing. So that inspired me to get started. Now let me be honest with you, for many years I struggled to make money online, and once I was on the brink of quitting this journey, I found something that really clicked, and this something was a proven system, and it was affiliate marketing. So this is why I'm so excited to share this with you, because this is the very thing that changed my life. And it wasn't until I found that proven system, though, that I'm going to share with you today, that I was able to to get results and start building this journey and be there for my loved ones. So now I'm able to pretty much write my own paychecks. I'm able to help people like yourself create success in their lives, and I'm able to be there for my significant other, my wife, and my family. And it's just it's an amazing thing, and every day I just keep growing and growing and learning more and more. So I'm just paying it forward so you can be able to also be able to work from the comfort of your home and pretty much do other things, because I just don't only do this. I'm also a barber. I work on other projects too. So everything that I'm doing today is because it's what I wanted to do, and this has allowed me to do that. So let's go ahead and get to it. So there's a few tools. I'm going to share with you the tools that you need in place, tools you need in place in order to start working from home and earning income online, especially with affiliate marketing. I'm going to share with you the type of products that I highly recommend you use to make it happen. But yeah, this is me on the leaderboards right here. This is people thanking me for being consistent with them, helping them out, and this is so cool. So another thing I want to share is this screenshot right here. This is actually my first $1,000 I made. Once I found that affiliate marketing and a proven system, my first sale online was pretty much $25. And I know it doesn't sound like a lot of money to you, but that right there gave me the proof of concept that I needed, that made it more real, that making money online can actually happen. So all I had to do is pretty much do more of the same, and doing that is how I made my first $1,000. Now this right here is not bragging or anything like that. It's just to show you what can be possible for you. And also, this is not a guarantee of income for you. The reason why is because I don't know what type of person of you are. This requires action from your part. It requires following steps, being consistent, And I struggled for years until I found a proven system, which I'm going to share with you. Once I found this proven system in a trusted community, I started getting results. And basically I started getting like sales notifications, lead notifications. And I just thought I recorded this screenshot right here was from when I made my first $1,000 as pretty much as a reminder of what's possible for other people, so I can show other people that you can do this. All right, but results will not, are not typical. I just got to put that out there because I don't know what type of person you are, again, and a lot of people just like they expect to start a business online and not do anything, and they expect to to get results that way, and that's not how it works. Okay, so if you're new to affiliate marketing, let me go ahead and explain what it is first. So affiliate marketing is basically when you promote other people's products or services and you earn a commission on each sale made through your unique what we call referral link or affiliate link. And it's pretty much a great way to monetize a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. So what makes affiliate marketing so amazing and so great for beginners? Well, with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own products. And a lot of programs out there that offer affiliate programs, they provide you with the marketing, they provide you with the training, and a lot of time they provide you with all those tools that I'm going to share with you. So that's what affiliate marketing is actually you making money for promoting or marketing other people's products. All right. So in order for you to make money online and earn or work from the comfort of your home and make money online, you're gonna need three things which I'm gonna mention here. The first thing you're gonna need a quality product or service that actually offers a solution. So first you got to think about what industry you want to serve. Then you want to find products that's gonna help that industry, solve a problem in that industry. All right. And that's the first thing you're going to need. The second you're going to need an efficient and effective system, which is what you have right here. That's going to do the telling and it's going to do the telling and selling on your behalf, right? And the third thing you're going to need is learn how to drive traffic, which is visitors on the internet, people hanging out, or people looking for solutions online. Okay. Once I found these three things right here, my life changed forever. So you're gonna need traffic, you're gonna need something called a squeeze page, and you're gonna need a great offer. And also, fourth component is an autoresponder. Okay, what I did, to create this right here, the squeeze page, and this the squeeze page right here, and this pages right here, what I did is I actually found a funnel builder. So you're gonna need a funnel builder. A funnel builder is basically it's like a website builder, but you want to create a sales funnel like this right here using a funnel builder, and basically that is the best way to make money online, because the way that the products are delivered is going to be more effective and more efficient for those people wanting to learn about the information. So a squeeze page is simply a page where people enter their name and email, or just email, to gain access to the information. The reason why you want a squeeze page is because you want to be able to follow up with people that showed an interest in what you're offering. Okay, and in this ADD world where everything is so shiny online, you want to be able to follow up with people via email. That way they can get reminded to check out the offer that they already showed interest in. When I first started, I found myself chasing after people, going to hotel meetings after hotel meetings, and that right there drained me because I saw people rejecting me at all costs, and I just found myself working harder than I needed to, which that was it's actually the total opposite of why I got started. I wanted to be more, have more free time. But if I'm chasing after people, going from hotel meeting to hotel meeting, and on top of the things that I had to do at that time, I just found myself drained. So once I found this system here, it doesn't matter where I'm at. I can be traveling, I can be sleeping, I can be on vacation, I can be working, other projects, and I can still earn money from the comfort of my home, whether I'm on my computer or not, thanks to this system here, as you can see, set up. Okay, so where can you find products? So let me give you an example on a website, a good website to use. this website right here, you can go to it and create a free account. Basically, they have digital product. This is the products that I recommend, selling online, is digital products, because they're so easy to access. And with digital products, you don't have to worry about inventory, having all these boxes in your house or in a warehouse. Basically, the beauty about affiliate marketing is that the company that you're affiliated with handles all the shipments, handle all the customer support, handles all any refunds requests. You don't have to deal with none of that. So all you gotta do is pretty much grab a product, get the affiliate link, and start promoting. The reason why I show people that that need a sales funnel to market affiliate marketing products is because a lot of people want to just grab the link and blast it everywhere. To me, if in case you didn't know, that's called spamming, and it's gonna annoy a lot of people. So you don't want to do it that way. You actually want to grab an affiliate link, and you want to put your affiliate offer inside of the funnel, where there's a great offer. Now, right between this right here, the squeeze page, and the great offer, you also want to include something called a bridge page, which is basically you introducing yourself and you actually explain to people what they're going to get access to on the next page, which is the great offer. The reason you want to do this is because you want to brand yourself, and you want to show people that there's a real person on the other side. It's not just here, buy this. Okay, so thought I actually share this with you. So maybe you want to share your story, how why you guys started, and then explain why they're gonna get access on the next page. Okay, so this is how you can start working for the comfort of your home. And basically earn with affiliate marketing. You just go there, find some affiliate programs, create this system right here, which, by the way, if you're interested in getting a system like this set up, it's done for you already, and earn income online, my first link in the description, you can click that link and basically get access. I also left you some links below where you can get access to all the tools like a funnel builder, an autoresponder. An autoresponder is what's going to allow you to build your email list, and it's going to allow you to follow up with the people that showed interest, which that's a lead, and that's how you want to focus on, is building your email list so you can email people relevant information regarding your products. You want to give them value, inspiration, how-tos, etc. You want to build a relationship with this email list or this audience, and you can send as many emails as you want by having this set up, because they already showed interest in what you're offering. Okay, now there's a system that I recommend that actually offers good quality traffic, which is just visitors that they can send to your squeeze page so you can build your email list. And you want to learn more about it, you just click the link below in the description. Other than that, this is all I got for you today. This is how you can start working from home and earn with affiliate marketing. You can actually use this to earn passive income, and this is how you can pretty much create more freedom in your life, because you have a system in place that's going to do the heavy lifting, and all your focus is on sending traffic. Okay, so there you have it. Those are actually the components you're going to need in order for you to work from home and earn with affiliate marketing. That's actually what I have used all these years. So if you want to know what is my #1 recommendation to get started today, go ahead and click that first link in the description. That's my #1 recommendation right now. So click the link, access the details, and if you love what you see there, simply get started. Other than that, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.